Oh my god, I'm knackered. How you doing, guys? Yeah, I just want to let you know in 3 days' work what I've been doing on the well, my current experience journey. What I've been doing, I've made £455 plus VAT. I think that adds up to 546. How many miles have I done for this? I've done a total of, well, by the time I finish today, on Wednesday, I would have done a total of 640 miles for that figure. I think it's not the worst result in the world. It's not too bad for 3 days. I could have done slightly better. I got maybe a little bit killed in Southampton. I was quoting. Honestly, guys, if you go to Southampton, there's a bit of competition there. I managed to get some paperwork done while I was there, I landed in Southampton round about 1 o'clock, and I was bidding, and I just wasn't getting anywhere. So I ended up staying in a hotel. I wanted to stay in a hotel because I'd already slept in the van on the Monday night, and yeah, I was pretty minging actually, because Tuesday in Southampton it was hot, it was humid, and by the way, around about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I've never seen a city. It's just it turns into a car park. Southampton, you can't move. I literally had booked a hotel, it's 5 miles away. I think, sweet. It took me 45 minutes to go 5 miles. I was like thinking, no way, guys, no way. Anyway, okay, I want to just show you my my journey for my 3 days really. I'm just having a rest before I've got like another 2-hour drive back to home. But all the figures that I'm going to go through with you now, that includes that. Okay, on Monday morning, I started pretty early in the morning. I live in Blackpool, by the way, so I did 44 miles dead mileage because I'd already booked a job. Normally wouldn't travel so far, but 165 quid for doing 158 miles. I thought, yeah, bollocks to it, yeah, I'll do that. So that was Liverpool to Buyexeter. That was £165. That was that one sorted. And then when I got to Buyexeter on fairly early in the day, Aylesbury, which is not too far away from Buyexeter, I did that job. That was 69 miles, and quoted Aylesbury to Surrey, 69 miles. I quoted 80, got that. Then I did there was another job going on Tuesday morning. Yeah, Tuesday. First thing Tuesday, and that was Crawley to Southampton, and obviously I got stuck in Southampton. So Wednesday morning, obviously this morning, I did Southampton to Waterloo. I did that on is it same day limited? It was my first one. I've been playing on the app a little bit, having a nosy every now and again, but it's not been great for loads, but I keep looking. And anyway, yeah, there was a job from Southampton to Waterville, I think it's pronounced, and that was 29 miles, and I quoted 50, got that. So that was sweet. Had a look around on the CX around there. No, there's not much going on. So what I did is sort of like put in to go home, even though I was bloody miles away. But even though when you put on the CX that you want to go home, it brings up a list of jobs. There was nothing straight away. I think I drove for about 30 miles, had a little break, had a look again, thought, oh cool, and I was like thinking, I want to get this job. So I burned my bridges and quoted very low, and it was 130 miles, and I quoted 80, and it was to take me about 130 miles down the road, which was not too bad. I really wanted to get home back to Blackpool because I've already secured a job for £260 in the morning doing a removal from Garstang to Liverpool, and that's 127 miles, 260 quid, obviously, you know, you got a bit of time on the job. It's not like quick load. It's not like a couple of pallets put on. Sometimes you can be in a job. It can take you about 2 hours to load up, and almost as long just unloading. Anything. I thought that was sweet, but that's booked for Thursday. So between the CX and same day in Courier and tomorrow's job, that should put me on to put me on about 700 quid. And that'll be like Thursday, and I should be like landed in Newcastle for about 2 o'clock, and that's not too bad for 3.5 days. I should get another load. I'm going to try and I want to go south from Newcastle. So yeah, I'll see how I do. I'm trying to get to my £1,000 in the week. It seems to be a mission. Yeah, I'll keep you posted, guys. See you later. Bye.